Welcome back. I gave my best as a Speaker of Goa Assembly even though the job was not my preference. Newly sworn in Minister Rajendra Arlekar stated this. He took charge as Minister today. Arlekar said he will give his best to the portfolios allotted to him.
कामाक लागलो की ना की आवड निवड हाजो प्रश्न आसना. जें कितें समोर आयिल्लें आसता तातूंत तें काम करप. तातूंतल्यान आवड ना जाल्यार सुद्दां आवड निर्माण जाता. उदाहरण दिवपाचें जाल्यार सभापती तशें अत्यंत आवडीन हांवें तें घेतिल्लें अशें न्ही सभापती पद. पण तें काम करता करत लक्षांत आयलें की हातूंत भरपूर करपा सारकें आसा. तातूंत हांव इतलो इनवॉल्व जालो भितर पूर्णपणे आनी तें आवडीन सगळें काम केलें. तशी आत्तां म्हज्या हातान जी खातीं आयिल्लीं आसा ती सगळींच आवडीनच करतलो हांव. तें कितें अशें न्ही हें बरें न्ही तें वायट अशें म्हणून कुशीन दवरून तशें जाल्यार तूं काम करूं शकना. हय ते इशू मुळात कितें आसा कशें आसा हें समजून घेवपा खातीर हांवें त्या त्या खात्यांच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक आज आपयल्ले आसात. ते बसतलो हांव पयलीं तांचे कडेन तांचे इशू कितें आसात. कारण लोक कितें कितें एजिटेशन करता ते वर्तमानपत्रांतल्यान सगळ्यो बातम्यो येत असतात. पण बऱ्याचदा ते एक बाजू आसता. अधिकारीक स्वरुपाचेर तेजें नेमकें कितें सरकारचें कितें म्हणणें आसा आमच्या अधिकाऱ्यांचें कितें म्हणणें आसा आनी प्रत्यक्षान तें कितें आसा हें समजून घेवपाची गरज आसा. तें हांव करतलों पयलीं आनी मागीर तूं ते प्रश्न कशे सोडोवप हाव टू एड्रेस ऑल दोज इश्यूज वील बी डिसायडेड लेटर ऑन.
फाटली 3.5 वर्सां तुमी सभापती आसले आनी तुमी सगळो कारभार कोंकणींतल्यान चलयलो. कारभार कसो जालो?
म्हाका खूब आनंद जातलो कोंकणींतल्यान चलोवपाक मेळ्ळें जाल्यार.
तुमचे प्रयत्न
स्थानीक भाशेंतल्यान चलोवप हाजो जर म्हाका आनंद जातलो. म्हजो प्रयत्न कशें कितें करपाक मेळटा तें पळयता हांव हांगासर.
Goa police conducted search at Rupesh Samant's residence and offices. Senior officer of Goa police said that search for Rupesh Samant will be intensified in coming days. Officers also said that accused who is supplied with FIR copies should not try to contact complainants or else they will move to court. Meanwhile, Goa Union of Journalists held a peaceful dharna at Azad Maidan demanding speedy investigation in the sexual harassment case. Anticipatory bail hearing of Samant is adjourned for Friday.
Crime branch probing Rupesh Samant's sexual harassment of women journalists and other cases along with women police on Wednesday searched the residence and offices of accused Samant. Senior official of Goa police informed Prudent that search will be expedited in coming days. Samant has flouted many summons. Meanwhile, Goa Union of Journalists held a peaceful dharna at Azad Maidan demanding justice for victims in women journalists' sexual assault case.
A series of sexual harassment cases ज्यो जाल्या तातूंतल्या आरोपीक अटक करचे मागीर गुजरातचे शिष्टमंडळ वचून डीजीपीक मेळ्ळे आनी तांच्यांनी ताचे कडेन चर्चा केली. डीजीपीन सांगला की पोलीस योग्य प्रकारे तपास काम करता आनी आरोपीक निश्चितच अटक जातली. आमी त्या बद्दल खंयचीच हयगय करचे ना आनी आमचेर खंयचो दबाव ना.
जो खुटारो आमी आज हातीन घेतला म्हजे नदरेन हो लढो आमी निमणो मेरेन व्हरपाचो.
FIR जाता 2013 मडगांवा FIR जाता ट्रेसपास म्हणून आनी पुलीस कितें करता पुलीस हो एक्युज्ड आहा तो मिसिंग म्हणून सरळ म्हणटा आनी केस काढून भितर दवरता.
The students community of Goa, we have roots in all the colleges across Goa and whenever called upon we will be here to extend our entire support.
Of course, I would give them 7 days from today and I've decided to move the appropriate court in 7 days.
Sexual harassment is a very serious matter. चाहे वो उसमें जर्नलिस्ट इन्वॉल्व है is only an accidental issue. Whoever indulges in sexual harassment will have to be dealt with severely. That the accused will be proceeded against as per law.
The crucial hearing on Goa mining matter will be held on Friday. Goa Foundation has challenged the renewal process of 88 mining leases by Goa government. Mines Department is in process of filing affidavit before the Supreme Court. Sources inform that Mines Department is preparing report on the renewal process of 88 mining leases. Goa Foundation pleaded before the Supreme Court to stay the consent to operate given by the Goa State Pollution Control Board.
Even after 3 years, Mines Department is busy filing the affidavit before the Supreme Court. This time it is on the renewal of 88 mining leases. Goa Foundation has challenged the renewal process of Goa government. Sources from Mines Department informed that Mines Department will file affidavit before the Supreme Court. affidavit to mention about legal process followed during the renewal of 88 mining leases. File of each lease renewal order will be put before the Supreme Court. Goa government will argue stating renewal as per the law. Goa government might refer to Goa Abolition Act 1987. According to this act, lease belongs to respective owners. Matter on Goa Abolition Act pending before the Apex Court. If Supreme Court upholds Goa Abolition Act, then mining leases in Goa cannot be auctioned. Lease renewal process as per Supreme Court's order and order of High Court will also be mentioned in the affidavit. Hearing on mining matter will be held on Friday. Two-judge bench of Supreme Court will hear the matter. On behalf of Goa, Advocate Jayant Mohan will argue and Advocate Prashant Bhushan for the petitioner Goa Foundation. According to Goa Foundation, Goa government has not followed legal procedure and Supreme Court's order during the renewal of 88 mining leases. Reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.